Welcome and thank you for joining us. I'm Jennifer Brodigan of Reiki the Holy Gift. My email is jennifer@reikitheholygift.com. The website is reikitheholygift.com and with Jennifer in front of it. And today is June 10th, 2025. We meet every Tuesday on the second Tuesday of the month from 6:50 p.m. until about 8 o'clock p.m. Pacific time. And if you are watching this as a recording, those of us who have been together live, we've just finished having a little conversation about Reiki and our Reiki journeys and little questions and answers here and there. And normally what I do at this point is I facilitate a unique holy fire healing experience. But tonight I am doing an invocation from the first day of the Animal Reiki 1 and 2 class. And I want to give credit and thanks to the International Center for Reiki Training and then the humans who created this Animal Reiki program for Animal Reiki 1 and 2 and Reiki Master. And this invocation is copyrighted, so I really want to make sure that they get the credit for it. That was Colleen Benelli, her daughter Robin Benelli, Sue Strong, and Pamela Blanc. And they created a wonderful training program for working with animals. We've always been able to use Reiki with animals, but this teaches the Reiki practitioner how to be more specific and to communicate on a higher level with the animals and keeping yourself safe, and also working with the animals' humans and in various settings. And so everybody that's been live has now gotten themselves in a cozy, comfy position, and they are familiar enough that they are already taking nice, slow breaths and getting themselves in a receptive state of being. So I encourage you to get yourself in a comfortable position. Just relax, let go, and receive. Closing your eyes. Taking nice, slow, deep breaths. Allowing yourself to settle into your space. Letting go of busyness of life. Place your hands in a comfortable position somewhere on your body to receive Reiki. Feel the light of Reiki filling the surrounding space. And as you inhale, the light of Reiki flows in on your breath and fills your body. As you receive the light of Reiki, a light within you awakens, revealing itself to you. It is the light of your life force, your spirit. Now feel the power of love flowing in on your breath, awakening and revealing the power of love within you. You remember Love is who you are at the core of your being. As you breathe in, the power of the divine mind flows in. Awakening the divine mind within you at the core of your consciousness. Your higher consciousness and higher thought activate, and infinite possibilities open. Your intuition, imagination, and inner guidance is heightened and awake. You can feel your perceptions, senses, instincts, and observations heightened. Now feel the power of the divine heart filling your breath. And as you breathe in, the power of the divine heart within you awakens and reveals your heart's light. Your heart light shines brilliantly in front of you, behind you, on both sides, above and below you. Within you, this light is your divine presence. And as you recognize your divine presence, you begin to see it in everything and everyone around you. The divine light of the earth rises through you, filling your breath and body. And you remember that your body is made of the earth. You receive the earth's nourishment like the roots of a tree. Your body provides breath, spirit, and the life force that supports you in every moment. And now, the light of creation flows into you and reveals itself within you. The light of creation and the light of your body are one light in you. Your divine nature is present in your human nature. You remember your beautiful spirit, and in your daily life, like the tree branches reaching into the heavens, you receive divine wisdom and knowledge. divine wisdom and knowledge, which unifies with your body's wisdom and knowledge. Now you stand under the tree of life and see the divine animal kingdom standing in a circle around you. Shining their light and blessings into the surrounding space. As they greet you, their light and blessings fill your breath and body. And you recall you are a part of them, made of earth, part of the natural world. You stand in the circle of the divine animal kingdom under the great tree of life, and remember, together you are love. The beautiful spiritual allies of the animals are here. The spirit of the earth, angels, brothers and sisters of the light, ascended masters, and sacred beings for each of you. They shine their light into your light and your breath. Their light and blessings fill your breath and body. You recall you are part of them, made of earth, part of the natural world. You stand in the circle of the divine animal kingdom under the great tree of life, and remember, together you are love. They shine their light into your light and your breath. Look into your heart and say, thank you to yourself. Take this time to notice how deeply you love, how deeply you care, and how you create from this belief. we say thank you to each other. We are meant to be here together in this divinely ordered circle today. With all our diversity, we have the common goal of contributing to the wellness of the animals, people, and life on Earth. And we create from this belief. Thank you to the animals who have joined our circle. We thank Reiki and the Divine Animal Kingdom, illumined beings, angels, and the spiritual teachers of the animals who join us here. We welcome your healing and empowerment for the animals and people. We open our hearts and receive your gifts. We thank the teachers who came before us and the descendants who will come after us. We are honored to be among them, caring for the animals, the people, and the earth. As you love yourself, you create from love. As my voice goes silent for about 10 minutes, enjoy yourself underneath the great tree of life, surrounded by the Divine Animal Kingdom, the angels, the illumined ones, the ascended masters, and the brothers and the sisters of the light. bliss of being under the great tree of life, soaking in the blessings of the divine animal kingdom, the spirit of the earth, and all of the spiritual beings who are surrounding you for as long as you like. Again, I want to give credit to the International Center for Reiki Training for this invocation, and thank the Divine Animal Kingdom for working tirelessly with the humans who created the fabulous training material for the Animal Reiki 1 and 2 and Reiki Master classes. Colleen Benelli, Robin Benelli, Sue Strong, and Pamela Bonk. I'm Jennifer Brodigan with ReikiTheHolyGift.com. I thank all of the spiritual beings that have been with us, who are always with us. I thank each one of you for continuing to work on that wounded healer within yourself and your own personal development, and your compassionate hearts to assist the animals, the people, and the earth. So may it be. Namaste. Amen. I look forward to our time together again next month. Many blessings to you as I end our meeting.